LifeBoost friends. How about a delicious milk and honey cold brew recipe? So for this one, you're going to need your favorite milk choice. I, of course, have chosen an unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You're also going to want an additional 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, and then 1 tablespoon of your favorite honey. And what I did is I just mixed these directly into my milk frother and then set this on a cold setting to get it nice and frothy, to get a delicious cold foam topper to put on top of that Biotics Brew cold brew. So you can use any of our LifeBoost coffees to make a cold brew with. For this recipe, I did choose our Biotics Brew, which is actually made for cold brewing, and it's full of probiotics that are good for me. So I just poured that into a glass filled with ice, and then went ahead and topped that with that cold foam topper that we just made with the milk and honey, as you can see. And I love watching the foam toppers go on top. And after that, I'm just going to take a little bit of my cinnamon and sprinkle it right on top, just to give it a little bit extra flavor and to make it look nice. As always, if you try this recipe, please let us know. And I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching.